and illustrate legal project management to you, I want to also use the opportunity to infuse sufficient theory to kind of startle you into why this is something that every lawyer in the 21st century should be embracing. We're going to talk about the things that are really spurring or egging on legal project management, including the rise of value billing, and how that you really cannot profitably adopt value billing, what's sometimes referred to as alternative fee arrangements, unless you have a firm foundation in legal project management. We'll show you, too, how that legal project management may actually change the way that law firms and associations of collaborative lawyers look like in the future. I've elsewhere given a talk somewhat tongue-in-cheek entitled The End of Law Firms with a question mark, which is a play on Richard Susskind's 2008 book, The End of Lawyers. But what I talk about there is a little bit about what I'm going to share with you here, and that is how that lawyer collaborations in the future may not look anything like today's law firms. And indeed, I left a traditional firm to go towards that very model. We're going to go through briefly a simple legal project management life cycle. I literally teach a 20-hour course on legal project management as a CLE thing, and it would just be impossible to try to cram all of that in one day, but we can get through the life cycle quickly. And then finally, we're going to close with some questions and answers so that I can make sure that we have responded to your personal inquiries and interest in why you're in the program today. Let's start off with some 21st century facts of life. First of all, ever since the Great Recession in 2008, the practice of law has irreversibly changed. Humpty Dumpty has been broken, and it's never going to be the same as what it was before the Great Recession. Law practice, both business and corporate practice,